Hey guys, it's Levelord here, and I'm playing Ratchet and Clank 1. I'm currently on the planet Pokataru, and I was just messing around when this happened. Very weird. I flooded Pokataru. Very odd. Very, very odd. I was just messing around. I was just messing around up here. Just jumping and stuff. Trying to find glitches. And my world flooded with water. Yeah, very odd. Well, what do you know? I changed back. Maybe I can change it again. This is very weird. Well, thank you for watching my random glitch moment. Bye-bye. I will be looking for more glitches on Ratchet and Clank 1 and 2. Over now. Bye-bye.